Tesla's new V4 Superchargers in the US get CCS adapter credit card reader. The first installations of the all-new V4 Tesla Supercharging dispensers are already underway in at least 3 states: Oregon, Nevada, and Alabama. A new photo of V4 stalls from Nevada, shared by Mardak on Tesla Motors Club TMC forum, reveals to us important elements featured on the V4 in the United States. An integrated CCS1 adapter, aka Magic Dock, a credit card reader, and a small display. The Magic Dock adapter was first introduced on V3 Supercharging dispensers to enable non-Tesla drivers to use the charging network under Tesla's Supercharging pilot program in North America. Because non-Tesla electric vehicles are usually equipped with the CCS1 charging inlet, there are some exceptions. While the network is natively compatible with the Tesla-developed North American charging standard NACS connector, they need an adapter. Tesla already deployed V3 stalls with Magic Dock at a double-digit number of supercharging stations in the US and Canada. And now, with the rollout of V4, there will be even more Magic Dock sites available for CCS1 compatible electric vehicles. The authentication and payment when charging a non-Tesla EV was possible through the Tesla app. However, with the credit card reader and a small display first used on the new V4 dispensers in Europe, soon customers might get an additional direct access method. This is very good news, especially because of the switch from CCS1 to NACS charging standard by other manufacturers. There might be plenty of customers who would like to use superchargers occasionally, without the necessity to sign up for the network creating an account. Of course, as we've said many times before, the V4 with a Magic Dock adapter is a much more friendly dispenser for non-Tesla drivers than the V3 with a Magic Dock adapter. That's because it also has a significantly longer cable, which is necessary to reach charging inlets in various locations of the vehicle: front, rear, left, right, compared to Tesla always located at the left rear of the car. Aside from the integrated CCS1 adapter, the V4 stalls in North America should be very similar to the ones in Europe, where both Tesla and non-Tesla EVs are using the CCS2 connector. Tesla's first V4 supercharging stalls, installed in Harderwijk, Netherlands. The deployment of the V4 now is progressing globally. According to Teslarati, recently the first V4 stalls were installed in Asia, specifically on Hong Kong Island at Lee Garden 1 in Causeway Bay. Tesla started with 3 V4 dispensers alongside 12 volts 3 and 150 destination chargers. According to Tesla, the V4 superchargers have the same 250 kilowatt power output as the V3. V4 currently supports peak rates of up to 250 kilowatts per vehicle and is future-proofed to allow for updates and new features. In the future, it's expected that Tesla will increase the power output and voltage to support high-voltage battery systems of the V4 stalls. Source: reposted and summarized from Mark Kane at Inside EVS.